What is an IP address? Imagine a postal service where the courier has to find a way to reach your house. The address of your house won't just say your house number. It would include the city, town, street, and finally, your house number. An IP address works in the exact same way. It is divided into 4 parts called octets. In binary format, which is the format a network device actually understands, each octet is divided into 8 bits. A bit is a single value and can be either 0 or 1. The first part of the address is the city, the second, town, the third, street, and finally, the last, your house number. Since the total number of bits in each octet is 8, the total number of binary bits used to represent an IP address is 32. These bits give us the possibility to compute an IP address as they can allow representation of a number for an address and at the same time allow combinations to occur to compute multiple addresses. For example, if we just had 2 octets with 1 bit each to represent an IP address, we would have been able to create 4 addresses for 4 different devices. That is 0.0, 0.1, 1.0, and 1.1. If we had 1 bit in 3 octets, we would be able to compute 8 addresses. That is 0.0.0, 0.0.1, 0.1.0, 0.1.1, 1.0.0, 1.0.1, 1.1.0, and 1.1.1. The formula to compute an IP address is 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of bits in your address. Therefore, 2 to the power of 2 would give us 4 addresses. 2 to the power of 3 would give us 8 addresses. And since we have 32 bits in an IP address, this means we can assign more than 4 billion addresses. If we increase the number of bits to 128, we end up creating an IP version 6 address, which would give us 2 to the power of 128 or 3.4 times 10 to the power of 38 addresses. I'd like to thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it useful.